Welcome to this tutorial on export and import. This fundamental computer concept covers how we transfer data between different systems and applications. Whether you're moving files between computers, migrating data to new software, or synchronizing information across platforms, understanding export and import is essential in today's digital world. Let's start with the basics. Export means extracting data from one system and saving it in a format that can be used elsewhere. Think of it like taking information out of a filing cabinet and putting it into a portable container. Import is the opposite process. It means reading data from an external source and bringing it into a target system. Together, export and import enable data transformation, which automatically converts data formats so different applications can work together seamlessly. The export-import process follows three main steps. First, data originates from a source system. Second, it undergoes transformation, where the data format is converted and mapped to match the target system's requirements. Third, the converted data arrives at the target system ready to use. This transformation step is crucial because it ensures that data moving between systems is compatible and maintains its integrity and meaning. There are four essential transformation techniques. Mapping matches fields from the source to corresponding fields in the target system. Validation verifies that the data is accurate and complete before transfer. Aggregation combines and summarizes data when needed. Normalization standardizes the format and structure so all data follows consistent rules. These techniques work together to ensure data quality throughout the export-import process. Several challenges can arise during export-import operations. Data security is critical because sensitive information must be protected during transfer and storage. Data quality issues include ensuring accuracy and eliminating duplicate records. Compatibility problems occur when connecting older systems with modern platforms. Finally, managing large volumes of data efficiently without slowing down performance is another important consideration. Understanding these challenges helps you plan better strategies. Follow these three best practices for successful export-import operations. First, always validate your data before any large-scale operation. Test the data structure and format to catch problems early. Second, use standardized formats like comma-separated values, JavaScript object notation, or extensible markup language depending on your specific data requirements. Third, implement backup and recovery procedures. Always maintain backups before performing import operations so you can recover if something goes wrong. Security is paramount in export-import operations. Encryption protects your data both while it's being transferred and when it's stored. Use strong encryption protocols to keep sensitive information safe. Access control restricts who can perform export-import operations by using role-based permissions. Compliance ensures you follow regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Finally, audit trails log all activities so you can track who accessed what data and when. Several tools make export-import easier. Skyvia is a cloud-based tool perfect for building no-code extract transform load pipelines and data workflows. Hivo Data connects to over 150 data sources, making it versatile for various scenarios. Data Loader is a free desktop application specifically designed for bulk Salesforce operations. Google Cloud offers comprehensive cloud storage and integration capabilities. Each tool has different deployment options and pricing models, so choose based on your specific needs. Here are four essential points to remember. First, export-import is a strategic process requiring careful planning, validation, and data transformation at each step. Second, security must come first with encryption, access control, and regulatory compliance protecting your data. Third, modern technology and automation are essential for streamlining operations and reducing manual errors. Fourth, continuous improvement through monitoring, testing, and optimization ensures your export-import processes remain effective and scalable as your needs grow.
If you like this video, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.